At a press conference held on Monday, the president of the Meghalaya People's Coal Traders Welfare Organization, John Rimbai, made public the presence of high-level beneficiaries from coal trade in Meghalaya. It may be mentioned that soon a memorandum to the Chief Minister would also be submitted to request for a solution to irregularities in the coal trade, especially as far as the issue of challans are concerned. Speaking on the issue, John Rimbai said that the intention of the organization is to look into the well-being of coal traders across the state of Meghalaya. However, Rimbai alleged that despite such efforts by the organization, there are a category of high-level beneficiaries from coal trade that include politicians, businessmen, bureaucrats and others who benefit a major chunk from such activities. On the transportation of coal to places like Beltola and Barnihat, Rimbai alleged that the transaction is expensive and apparently there is no benefit for traders except for those included in the high-level list.
Plan bha bat ki nong ai boy bat ki prolog projor ki berwisher ngidi bendon ya kaseng jong kinong khayi de yong ni ki bathet ki badi de yong spa bernihat sabel tola bon ki jing e ki bangisem rei mentau snem pat barok ngi nong de yong ni tip saya kata ba ya kan ka coal india auction la de auction ndu bulan april ti hadin mal de auction la yo ya kasalan ala ban penyat pat ba henry klem penyat pat ba klem le ai hadu ar kusau tarik Meno hubungan Oktober mo ka export import ka lapli ke Bangladesh ka Guwahati barak hadin ke puja lapli mentau snempat ar pusau tarik ubnai Disember gedang yok khayi ka doyong te jing khayi rung thu ipi ka di barak ngi lost lot te umdan nong pet yakin nong khayi doyong ke jing ya ke jongki te na ta kadaw ngi banse hadin balai discuss bat ki nong ai boy ki prolog kerja ki men kimi ki ba khayi ne doyong ki rang ba abril kini napo jauki ke exporter ti nata kadaw mentak kenti karkom penbiang ikut isla banselani doyong kalong ko hadu kata-kata nadu bami ke Supreme Court judgment but ru ka revise comprehensive plan order date 24 August 2020 jong ka mining and geology department 3 July 2019 civil appeal number 10720 of 2018 nisham yo iba ngokumunong khayi doyong ni barak ni siam bakalong ka ba bhai ni kinong khayi doyong ban smuthu ya ki standard operation procedure SOP namar khayi pateng doyong bon ki bamnang bam start ki bam siam phang ki rules ki an ki bakala na ka por jong ka sarkar bot kat boong ban kador salang ngin hap thit bai kat boong ban ban siu ngin hap siu bai te standard operation procedure jong ka sarkar jela ki bakala na ka por te hakum kane ka khlimat ka kanti Nishim ya ka sinjam ban seng ya ka ne ka seng hakalama kinong khayi doyong jong borok ka Meghalaya ka biding hapo coal India ngitip kat no ngisiu ya ka Meghalaya Energy Relief Fund ka ses ka GST ka ne ka tai te kami hap pada kom ka jing di ka jing penyat ka jing sim yang kata ka pisa ya habai di bagasalan kami hap syu kala poi ada ki kendai pusan hadu silaksan hajar te kata ka di ba penduk nong yang
Kendai pusan hajar do
silaksan kidang sim ha te ya kata te hindaya jiliu te ni baju sai salan sirta jing im te ngitip bahkan menlak ban poi hadu kata kana menlak ban poi hadu kata kador
kemut kadang ram ke bai chalan pan ya ke bai do yong no ne kemut dan
ladau do yong itip sab hajar siton mo ubabha da ada semi brown na new medium te khain pi into ni thap lai pusan ton te kan poi yang silak san phau silak an phau bai do yong te ka salam ba kala poi be silak anong ipi ka silak ka bai salam
te ya legally ka bai chalan ka dei ka shongdor ka no
ya legally ka bai salam ka dei ban shongdor between 60 to 65 70 at the maximum kata ka mon ngidang yala ban ya im te Henry kata ka high level ba tikran yang ba kila haswa junga kila ajukran bro si kata te open link do ang hoat ka don kum kata tabaki penyat kumno tengah melak ban declare manga nama ngamdei badon mentah kata